Seth and Rocha, Breakthrough Wisdom. Today we're gonna do an experiment about volcano eruption. So these are the materials we need: baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, funnel. So if you have red food coloring, you could use a tablespoon to mix it with the baking soda or neither vinegar. So we have to put the funnel in here. So I have to put the baking soda in here. The baking soda, you put the vinegar in the funnel tube. Wow! So the experiment was successful. Trivia time! Did you know that why do a volcano erupts? Volcanoes erupt when molten rock called magma rises to the surface. Magma is formed when the Earth's mantle is melting. When the liquid-like substance is coming out on rising in the volcano and still inside the volcano, that's called magma. But when it pukes out, it's called lava. This is how a volcano erupts. When the core mantle creates an airspace tube that goes through a vent to the volcano, the magma rises. Then it creates enough airspace, then water becomes steam. Then, when the volcano is not strong enough to hold it, the volcano erupts in the crater and secondary air vents. Did you know that the tallest mountain in the universe is not found on Earth but on Mars? The name is Olympus Mons. And a reminder, the name from volcano comes from the name of the Roman god of fire, Vulcan. Did you like my experiment? See you in my next video. Goodbye!